Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned chicken noodle soup better. We'll begin by enhancing the base. First, drain about 1/4 to 1/2 of the original broth to reduce sodium. Then, replenish with an equal amount of low-sodium chicken broth or water. Finally, stir in a small pat of unsalted butter or a teaspoon of olive oil for a richer, more satisfying mouthfeel. These simple steps lay a fantastic foundation. Next, let's introduce some fresh ingredients. Sauté finely diced carrots and celery for 5 minutes before adding them to the soup. Stir in a handful of fresh spinach during the last minute of cooking for a vibrant green. For extra protein, add about 1/2 cup of shredded rotisserie chicken. Finish with a tablespoon of fresh, chopped parsley or dill for an aromatic lift. Now, let's talk about deepening those flavors. A 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and a generous pinch of black pepper can make a huge difference. For a bright, fresh note, squeeze in about 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice or a 1/2 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. If you enjoy a little warmth, a tiny pinch of red pepper flakes will add a pleasant kick without overwhelming the soup. Finally, let's perfect the presentation and texture. Before serving, sprinkle your soup with a handful of crunchy croutons or oyster crackers. For a creamy finish, swirl in a small dollop of sour cream or a tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese. A garnish of fresh chives or a sprig of parsley adds visual appeal. Serve your elevated soup with a warm, crusty bread roll for a truly satisfying experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.